Let's sketch the graph of the given rational function. Okay, we're going to start off with the asymptotes. We have a vertical asymptote and an oblique asymptote. Okay, so let's see. -1. Vertical asymptote at -1 is going to look like this. Okay. All right, and then the oblique asymptote, okay, is going to occur when we have the y-intercept of -2 for the oblique asymptote, right? Not for the actual graph of the rational function. Okay, and the slope is 1, so up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, and so on. It gives me the gist of what this looks like. All right, so with that drawn, let's jump now to the intercepts. So I have one at 0, 0. That serves as both the x and the y-intercept. And I also have one at 1, 0. Okay, and I have a hole in the graph at -2, -6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's going to be down here somewhere. Okay, I have enough information to draw my graph now. So let's do the test points. Although I probably can get away with not doing test points here. Okay, remember I have a number line. My vertical asymptote's at -1. So that means that I need a number to the left of -1, like -1.1, and a number to the right of -1, like -0.9. I need to plug these in to the original function. Okay, now I actually go and plug them in. So -1.1 cubed plus -1.1 squared minus 2 times -1.1 over -1.1 squared plus 3 times -1.1 plus 2. All right, so all of that, type that in the calculator, and I get -23.1. Okay, so my first test point is -1.1 comma -23.1. Okay, so that would be down here, way down here somewhere. Okay, let's do the same thing, but this time with -0.9. -0.9. Okay, and we'll type that in the calculator. And I end up with positive 17.1. So my next test point, -0.9 comma 17.1. That's going to be way up here somewhere. Okay, so let's draw our graph. Okay, so we're going to go up and then down. And here we're going to go down through these and then stick along that line. Okay, so there we go. There's our rough sketch of our rational function.